All right, so when we're dividing fractions, 2/4 divided by 7/20. Um, we don't ever actually divide by fractions. Instead, we change the problem to a multiplication problem. So instead of dividing by 7/20, we're actually going to multiply by its reciprocal. Okay, so let's take a look at this here. 2/4 is going to stay the same, all right? So the key is we don't ever change the first number. So 2/4 is going to stay the same. Now, I like to circle the division symbol, and I'll change it to multiplication. So you can either use a dot, or if you wanted to, you could use an X for multiplication. Then 7/20. Okay, we have to do the reciprocal. So when you're doing the reciprocal, you basically just flip the fraction over. So I'm going to change it to 20/7. So again, like I said, we don't divide by fractions, we multiply by its reciprocal. So we flip this fraction over 20/7. All right, now it's just a multiplication problem. We need to simplify before we multiply. So 2 and 4 can be simplified. So I'm going to divide those by 2, make it 1 and 2. And then 2 and 20 can be simplified. So I'm going to divide those by 2 and make this 1 and 10. And then the 7 and the 10, I can't do anything with those. So my answer is 10/7, or I can write it as 1 whole and 3 out of 7 left. So either of these would be acceptable answers for this problem.